So here's how you can fix your Snapchat camera app not working error. So the first thing on what you want to do is basically head on over to your settings on your phone, apps. Click on apps, and then now you want to click on app management. So now you can get a list of all the apps, and then you need to find Snapchat, which is right over here. Simply click on that. And then now you want to click on permissions. App permissions, make sure you click on camera. And then make sure that you have a camera permission enabled as on. So allow only while using the app. You don't want to have on ask every time or don't allow. Make sure it is on that option. And then once it's on that option, then it should work and then you can open up your Snapchat camera. However, if you have a thing where you open up Snapchat camera and then your Snapchat just suddenly crashes, or maybe if it's still not working, then what you want to do is exit out, tap and hold on the Snapchat, and then click on app info. And then in app info, you want to go over and find storage usage, which is right over here. And simply click on clear cache at the very bottom. Click on that. And then now you have completed clear cache. What you want to do from here is uninstall the Snapchat app completely and then reinstall it in your Google Play Store or your App Store. And then from there, you want to sign in and everything should be working perfectly fine.